Established in 1992, Granit Salamandra today is a recognized market leader in aerosol fire extinguishing systems. Our products are used in every subject of Russia, and our dealer network covers the territory from St. Petersburg to the Far East. We also export to 53 countries on all continents of the world. Our company produces a wide selection of fire extinguishing aerosol generators, and our product range allows choosing the optimal solution for protecting any type of property. Our production site is located in the city of Tver, comprised of 2 factories with the total area of more than 8,000 square meters. The factories feature the most cutting-edge production equipment and latest generation of machines. Some of our equipment is unique and was custom-tailored to our special needs, such as the paint shops. All this allows the company to manufacture products of the highest quality. We also have extensive storage facilities where we keep our ready-to-go products. Thus, we always have the most popular items in stock. To achieve the desired quality of our products, we mandatorily control every stage of production. All manufactured products pass an inspection at the QC department. Due to this, our clients are completely secured from receiving a poor quality product. The multi-level quality management system simply does not allow any faulty product to pass. Our quality management system is also ISO 9001-2008 certified. All our products were developed by our in-house team of experts. The R&D department conducts fundamental and applied research, provides experimental developments, and manufactures sample models and prototypes for new fire extinguishing products, as well as conducts field tests. We constantly seek to improve the characteristics of the items already in production. The developments of the R&D department are immediately brought into life and launched into mass production. Our company attends every major industry event. We regularly take part in such large-scale exhibitions as the security events in Moscow, St. Petersburg, and Siberia, and ISSE. In addition, we systematically conduct training seminars for our clients and partners. At these seminars, we give detailed information about our products, answer questions, and provide a chance to try our aerosol generators firsthand, to experience how effective our fire extinguishing methods are.